Hi everyone, I am Whitney from Simply Special Ed, and this month I am here to talk to you about IEP goal bin setup. If you missed me last month, I am a kindergarten through second grade self-contained special ed teacher with students with autism. Data organization can be tough, but it doesn't have to be. Let me help you make it simple. This month in my post, I talk all about the setup of my IEP goal bins, and I also touch on all of the other organization pieces that I use for all of my data. Today, I'm going to walk you through all of the steps I take to set up an IEP goal bin. From looking through the IEP, making the list of materials you'll need, all the way down to the actual organization of the bin. Let's get started. The first step to setting up an IEP goal bin is to go through the student's IEP and find the objectives that need materials to track data. So for the sample student, they needed reading, math, and fine motor. You'll notice on this list that I don't have a behavior goal listed. That's only because I don't need materials to track data on the student's behavior goal. The next step is to go through each objective and find the material that you'll need to track data on that objective. So for example, for reading objective 1, I have sight word ID. So I need sight word cards number 1 through 10. Your next step will be to go through your classroom and find the materials you need for each objective. I like to lay them out by goal. So I have both of my reading objectives, both math objectives, and both writing objectives. Then you'll start organizing your materials for your bin. I like to get a bag for each objective to put the materials inside and then label the bag. This helps the bin stay very organized. Next comes the fun part, when you get to start filling your bin. So first I'll put in a bag of miscellaneous materials, and then I'll start adding each objective's bag of materials. Once my bin is full, I'll go through and type out the list that I made in the beginning of this tutorial. So I'll go through each objective and write the objective name, the material, and the instructions needed to complete data for this objective. Once I have the objective list printed out, I will tape it to the inside of the IEP goal bin lid so that everyone has access to this, whether I am taking data or one of my paraprofessionals is taking data. You can tape your list vertically on the lid like I have it here, or if you need more space for more objectives, you can turn it horizontally and make your list longer. Last thing you need to do is stick a label with the student's name on the outside of their IEP goal bin, and then get your data sheet ready. You'll see here I have my data sheet set up by each objective. And there you have it. You have a complete IEP goal bin set up. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the box below. Swipe up on this slide to read the rest of my blog post on IEP goal bin setup. If you decide to organize your data with IEP goal bins, please snap a picture and send it to Simply Special Ed. We'd love to see your IEP goal bins. Thanks for following along with me. I'll see you next time.